You have the Blu View. This is the Speed, Blu View Speed 5G, and unfortunately, you have forgotten your PIN pattern or password. No matter what you do, you can't remember it. So what do? Let me help you. I've got the solution. All right, we've got to reset the phone, or you can just take a few minutes to write out all the possible pins, patterns, or passwords, and hopefully you remember it. Otherwise, we have to reset the phone, and when you reset the phone, you completely erase everything. So before you do this, you might want to try a few more times to remember your pin, pattern, or password. All right, if you have to factory reset it because it just didn't happen, we got to power the device off first. So on this one, we do volume up and power real quick to get the power menu up, power the phone off. All right, we're going to wait for it to power all the way down, and the screen will turn off. It'll give us one more vibration right there. All right, now let's get this reset. So to reset, we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Volume up, power. As soon as we see blue logo, we're going to let go with power, but keep holding with volume up right here. We're waiting for the Fallen Android No Command, which will pop up just a moment right there. Now let go. All right, now at the Fallen Android No Command, we're going to hold down power and then quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, brings up the Android recovery menu. At the Android recovery menu, we're going to scroll down, wipe data, factory reset. Remember, you still need your Google or your Gmail login and password after the reset to log back into the phone. Press power for OK. One more time, I'll remind you, this will wipe all user data, everything. Scroll down once, factory data reset, press power for OK. And your phone may take anywhere from a few seconds like this to a few minutes or longer to get that data wipe complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Hey, if you need help remembering, or maybe mom and dad or your kids or grandma and grandpa, this is a free worksheet right here to write out all the information you need to always remember your PIN, pattern, or password. And please, if this has helped you, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and watch this video next.